Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to design interactive business infographics in Canva, how step by step. So you can present data clearly and make your content more engaging for your audience. First, go to canva.com and log into your account. From the homepage, type infographic into the search bar. You'll see many templates designed for business, marketing, and data visualization. Choose one that matches your brand style and the type of information you want to share. Next, open the template in the editor. Start by customizing the title and headings to match your topic. Replace placeholder text with your own data points, statistics, or insights. Keep each section clear and concise so viewers can quickly understand the message. Now enhance your infographic with visuals. Add icons, charts, or shapes from the Elements tab to represent numbers or categories visually. Canva also allows you to animate sections or elements to make your infographic interactive, which is perfect for presentations or digital sharing. After that, adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand identity. Consistent branding and clean layouts make your infographic look professional and easy to read. Finally, preview your infographic and test any interactive elements. When ready, click Share, then Download. PNG or JPG works for static sharing, while PDF or MP4 is ideal for animated or interactive versions. And yeah, that's it. With Canva, you can create professional, interactive business infographics that capture attention and communicate information effectively. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.